Here we are doing a run-in on this horizontal side shaft engine driven by my old half horsepower electric motor. I find on these things that with ball bearings there's never any binding at the crankshaft, but there's a bit of binding at the big end of the con rod, and there's a bit of binding in the side shaft bushings, and they're all small binding areas, and I could turn it over by hand before doing this. This shows me that everything operates. I'm trying to get down to where the cams are for the intake and outlet, but I'll let it run like this for 3/4 of an hour. I have everything coated quite heavily in oil, and at the end of the half hour it'll be free enough to spin with my fingers. That's all.